Have you ever wanted something with a little caffeine to keep you going? Well, you can easily enjoy a cup of London fog. First ingredient you'll need is a tea Earl Grey. Second, you'll need milk. And last but not least, you'll need honey and pure vanilla extract. Step 1. Pour the milk in a cup but leave a little space at the top. Step 2. Put the tea bag in the milk and microwave from 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the milk doesn't bubble over. Step 3. Add as much honey as you'd like, and then add 1 to 2 drops of vanilla. After mixing it all together, make sure you avoid your tea-addicted sister. Finally, enjoy your drink, and thanks for watching.